What do you think you're gonna do with that gun?
I'm gonna get you with it.
Now, you give me that gun before you hurt somebody with it.
I'll give it to you.
What up, Casey? Head ass koala bear. Stupid. But I just want to give a shout out to some people. One is a little bit doing his thing on his music, and I want to give a word up to DJ Fred, Jamison, and Kiko. They're doing something right, trying to get it up there with their music and all that, and some other people just out from YouTube. Hart, Apples and Mustard, Kevin Hart, Kevin Kraft for like telling people what it is and how people should be treated, and like telling people what's on the news and crazy shit be going on. Damon D. Fizzy for keeping people positive. Motivation, positive to great key to stay healthy, longer life, yeah. And yep. Rhino Tora, Dashy, Joey, Uncliff Hash Brown, Free Benny, yeah, Little Bit has a shirt, Little Bit, yeah, they have, whatever I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna show you a link. They've been introducing themselves. Want to check them out. Yeah. Casey told me to make a video, so I did it. Whatever. He's stupid. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Shout out to the Bay Area, LA, Florida people.
Fresh out the box, brand new chop, with the cleaning kit. Never been shot, pull a lick, but he got popped. Shot him in his dick, and they called the cops.
Oh yeah, how can I forget short films 1, 2, 3? Dak, aka Dakota, Franklin, aka Frankie, Tanner, aka Tanner, and aka Anthony. Check them out too. They do some crazy shit. They got this new sneak peek of SWAT team or some shit, and Dakota has vlogs, and yeah, it's all good comedy, random. Check them out. Yeah, now I'm out. Peace.
Even suburban people got guns. Why? For home invasion. 223 is real Z's. Go 45, 9mm, 12 gauge. Sawed on punts, gotta be a renegade. When it come to funk, some people gotta switch blades. If they ain't got a gun, I'd rather knuckle up and fade. Cause I ain't I've been hustling since 11th grade. And I'll dump, my mission is to get paid. And buy what I want. Chameleon, jack of all trades. Right now I'm hella drunk. Been drinking, perking all day. About to smoke this blunt.